In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Napkin AI account with Google. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to Google and search for Napkin AI. I'm looking for the official website that describes itself as the visual AI for business storytelling, so I'll click that first link. Once the homepage loads, I'm greeted with an overview of how the tool turns text into visuals. To begin the registration process, I'll navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled Get Napkin Free. This brings me to the sign-in page where I have a few different options to choose from. I'm going to select Sign In with Google for a quick and easy setup. I'll choose my preferred Google account from the list, review the sign-in details, and then click Continue to authorize the access. While the account is being created, I'll be asked to finish setting up a few details. I'll start by checking the box to agree to Napkin's terms of use and privacy policy. I'll also leave the second box checked to allow my content to be used for product improvements and then click the Continue button. Next, I need to provide a little bit of context on how I plan to use the platform. I'll select the option for personal use and then click Next. For the next question regarding where I plan to use my visuals, I'll go ahead and choose social media content and then move on to the next step. Finally, when asked how I heard about Napkin AI, I'll simply select the option that says Prefer Not to Say and click Done to finish the onboarding process. Now I have successfully arrived at my new dashboard. I can start creating right away by pasting my text, describing a new idea, or even importing an existing file from my computer. And there you have it. That's the complete process of creating a Napkin AI account with Google.